So, Alex, what
Yes,
is
Andrian.
what is your outcome on the oil pipelines and the tanker traffic on the BC coastline?
I feel that the oil tankers along the BC coastline are a major disturbance to our ocean's ecosystem, as well as the pollution of the oil can damage our habitats for our native BC salmon.
What is at stake, do you think?
I believe our fishery, our fish habitats and economics, I feel that those can be heavily damaged by the oil and the heavy machinery that is being used in our waters today.
And if you were the prime minister, or what would you do right now as a kid? What would you want to happen?
I would like to see more heavily enforced rules and regulations placed to protect our waters of BC, commonly and mostly the Fraser River.
And if you were the prime minister, what would you do?
I would hold some meetings, on the issue of this topic, and maybe pinpoint it more to the larger issues rather than worrying about cleaning up what the issues cause, but instead rather stopping the issues at their focus point.
And how about salmon fishing? What do you think of that? Do you think it is right, or do you think it's wrong?
I think salmon fishing is good for our
salmon
economy.
farming, sorry.
Oh, salmon farming.
Yes.
That's a whole different topic.
Yes, I'm very sorry
Salmon
about that.
farming can place many diseases into our native salmon. They use nets to catch food for their salmon, and I think that is wrong. I think that salmon should be raised and nurtured naturally as they should.
And if you were the prime minister, what would you do to make the situation of the decrease of salmon in our rivers and our coastline better?
I would first start with the overfishing of our waters. The fishermen and the combining of fish farms and commercial fishing is heavily damaging our salmon ecosystem and population, if you will.
And if you were to do something about it, what would you do?
As a 15-year-old male, I might, start donating to foundations of the fish variety, salmon fishing in BC. And I might start organizing groups to protest this.
What would you like to see happen in the future?
I'd like to see some fishing rules and regulations.
Hey, dude.
This is one of our fish damaging people.
Jaden, shame on you.
Damages fish. Yeah. I believe that the overfishing of salmon is heavily detrimenting our population.
Okay, we're done.